Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm going to be showing you a gadget that I just picked up yesterday with the family when we were out shopping. And if you guys haven't seen the video from yesterday, I just showed how we did a partial harvest of our sour cherries and red currants. But I found this little machine just yesterday when we were in the supermarket, and it is a cherry and sour cherry decorer or whatever, or maybe just core. I don't know if that's the right word. But basically it allows you to take out the pits from the cherries in a quick and easy manner, theoretically. So I haven't tried it yet, but I figured it would be fun to show you guys. The idea is the following. You have these two main pieces. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. The pits end up in there, and this is kind of the main doohickey that does the job. So what you see in here is a little, just like a silicon kind of membrane that should allow smaller things like the sour cherries to not fall through that hole. And basically this thing just sits over, hold on, put it back together, like that. And what you have is a suction cup at the bottom, so you can just put this down and then go like this. If I can get it with one finger. There we go. So now it's just held to the countertop. And then basically this thing you push down, there's a spring that helps push it back up, and this little thing comes out at the end, will push down on top of the cherry and then push the pit out into the bottom. And theoretically the cherry without the pit should fall out here into our handy dandy bowl. So let's load it up and find out if it works. I'm dying to see. I did watch just a couple videos online before I decided to purchase this. I mean, it was really cheap, but I figured it was worthwhile to just see if it even looked like it could do the job. And it seemed pretty reasonable, so let's check it out. Here we go. Test number 1. And there it goes. This is awesome. And the next one's ready to go. And will it roll out? There it is. Nice. So then you can just keep kind of, doing this until they all fall out, and you've got yourself all the pitted cherries you want. Now the reason why I bought this was because usually I'm not a big fan of like kitchen gadgets and stuff, but definitely some things are just really, really time consuming, and pitting cherries is definitely one of them. Okay, I think I may have kind of got that one stuck. Oh, there it is. This is going to really be a huge time saver for me. I really want to pick a lot of sour cherries. If anybody remembers last year, I showed you guys there's kind of like a whole row of sour cherry trees near by where we're living, and they're pretty much never picked. So there's just tons and tons of sour cherries to be had there for free. And I figure that it would just be easy to make a lot of jam and stuff, or pies from all those sour cherries, if there's a convenient way to pit them all. And doing it with a knife or with other methods, my last video that I think when I did that one, I think I referred to Aaron from the Planting Freedom channel. He mentioned a way that, or actually maybe he commented, I don't remember, but anyway, he mentioned a way that people use a fork and you bend the little tips at the end to produce some kind of similar effect where you can just kind of jab the cherry with the fork and pull the seed out that way. But this seems way, way faster than that. So yeah, I think this is going to be really cool. And I think this is the way to go. So I'm going to pit these things and make a nice little cherry sauce out of this or something. And when we have a big bunch to do, I'll probably just make some jam. So yeah, that was it for today. I think this thing is pretty cool. I think it was like maybe like 900 footings, which is probably like, I don't know, $4 or something like that. Really cheap. Seems like it's pretty good, and gets a thumbs up for me. So look into this if you guys are going to do anything similar, and let me know what you do if you're pitting cherries for pies or jams and stuff and preserves. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for everybody's support. Bye.